Hello and welcome to the video about the thermal printer. This is a new module that we have developed, and as soon as you go to apps you will find that module. You can download from Code Canyon and upload it to your site. Yeah, it's here, and you will notice that we're using printnode.com. So printnode.com is a service for cloud printing, and they're pretty standard on the market. So yeah, what they bring is really nice set of features, and what this does is removes the headache for you to manually or give your clients a special program that they will need to install on their computer in order to be able to print or their different devices. This will support both thermal printing and A4 standard printing on standardized printers like this one on the image, and they give us an API that we call in order to send the receipt that needs to be printed, like on this printer or on the standard one. Of course, this includes pricing, so please look into that, and maybe you will want to use the integrator account if you have larger number of clients, so you can make even money from their service. In general, the restaurant should pay for the account, and they have like some free printouts. And yeah, please look into that and see if this module or service is okay for you. For the printing on A4 printing, you will also need to have a convert API key, because this will convert the website, the invoice, to a PDF that later will be printed on the A4 printer, and this is optional one, so it's not required. And you can enter that inside settings in app and plugins, find the print node plugin and enter it there. Let me see it. Yeah, print node. So you will enter the convert API secret here, and if the restaurants enter standard printer API from print node, they will be able to print A4 invoices, but of course this is completely optional. So let's go to the restaurants and see how they will be able to set it. Okay, I will log in as Loco Pizza. So what they will need to do is go to download on Printnode and download the program for their system, and they will get a tool like this one. So they will list all of their connected printers and the status and things like that. So this is the thermal printer that I use, and they will see the same inside the connected printers here. So if I go there and if I go to apps, what I need to enter is the print node API key, and I can get the print node API key from here. So I need to log in once again. Okay, and this is my API key. I will enter it here. Main thermal printer ID, I will use the one that I this one. So this is the number here. Okay, and I will enter it here. I don't need kitchen thermal printer ID, standard printer ID I can set, but since I'm working locally this will not work, since Convert API expects of course publicly accessible link. On order, when do I want the order to be printed? On main terminal I want when order will be received, so that's okay, and all I have to do is just click save. Okay, this should be okay. I will go back again, so I have the API key and main terminal printer ID, and yeah, this is all the restaurants need to set. So when there is a new order, I will make new one now, should be automatically printed on this thermal printer ID here. Let's see it. Let's make the order. So I want a salad, I want a pizza like I always do, and I want a pepperoni together with 2 of them. Okay, and I will go to checkout. So I need to go to checkout. Okay, this is a bit slow since it's in development mode, but yeah, it's there. And I will want a takeaway for a time of this one. I will enter my phone, some other comments, nice, and I will pay with cash and card terminal, and I will place the order. So as soon as I place the order, we will send how do you call a request to PrintNode to print the receipt on this printer ID. So yeah, finger crossed, should work. Okay, let's see. And yeah, here is the order. I don't think the camera has the best quality, but here we have all the details about the order, and the same will be printed on the full invoice in PDF will be printed on regular printer if the restaurant has said that. Okay, yeah, hopefully with this video I have explained how the printing works, and yeah, I think that we decided to go with PrintNode has a lot of benefits. Of course has a downside that it has restaurants need to pay, but on the other hand removes the headache for you to manually tell the clients to install some specific program or download some development version of PHP or things like that. With this you even have more control to see if the printer is offline, online, send some test job to see if it works and things like that. And yeah, the setup is a lot easier for the restaurant at the end, and yeah, maybe we'll bring even more possibilities for you. Hopefully with this video I explain you the thermal printer module in details, and yeah, hopefully you will like where we're going and what we have achieved. This is one of the most requested module, so yeah, hopefully you will find a good use of it. Thank you and bye bye.